Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're cracking the code on YouTube automation and revealing a secret weapon that can skyrocket your channel to success, even without showing your face on camera. That's right, forget about the pressure of being on camera, because with the right niche and some clever tools, you can create a thriving YouTube channel from the comfort of your own home. Buckle up, because this video is packed with actionable tips to get your faceless YouTube automation journey started. Imagine this. You upload a video and within days, you see a surge of views, comments, and subscribers. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Well, that's the magic of finding a hidden niche. Unlike those saturated niches where everyone's vying for attention, hidden niches are like undiscovered treasure troves. They're brimming with passionate audiences who are hungry for content that caters to their specific interests, but there's not a whole lot of competition to drown out your voice. Think about it this way. If you walk into a crowded room to sell shoes, it's going to be tough to get noticed. But if you find a room full of people who are all obsessed with a particular brand of handcrafted vegan sandals, well, you've just become the coolest person there. That's the power of a hidden niche. You become the go-to source for a dedicated audience. So how do you find these golden niches? The first step is to tap into your own interests. What are you genuinely passionate about? Maybe you're a whiz at gardening and can teach people how to cultivate exotic fruits in their backyards. Perhaps you're a self-proclaimed productivity guru with ninja-level organization skills. Whatever it is that sets your soul on fire, that could be the seed of your niche. Once you have a few niche ideas brewing, it's time to unleash the research beasts. Tools like Google Trends and YouTube search suggestions are your best friends here. These platforms will help you see what topics are trending within your niche and what kind of content is resonating with audiences. You're basically looking for that sweet spot where there's enough search volume to indicate interest, but not so much competition that new creators get lost in the shuffle. Here's a pro tip. Don't be afraid to get specific. Let's say your niche is gardening. Instead of creating general gardening videos, you could target your content towards urban gardening techniques for small spaces. By going niche within a niche, you become the ultimate authority for a highly engaged audience. Now that you've unearthed your perfect niche, it's time to tap into the magic of automation. Let's face it, creating high-quality videos can be time-consuming. But here's the good news. You don't have to spend hours filming yourself to captivate your audience. With the help of AI-powered tools like Synthesia, Pictory.ai, and InVideo, you can create stunning videos without ever needing to show your face. These platforms are like your personal video creation army. They allow you to transform simple scripts into engaging content by using stock footage, text overlays, and even AI-generated narration. Imagine creating a captivating video about the history of bonsai trees with beautiful visuals and a soothing voiceover, all without ever stepping in front of the camera. It's like having a team of creative wizards at your fingertips. With your automated content creation process in place, you're ready to start pumping out videos consistently. Here's the thing. Consistency is king on YouTube. By uploading videos on a regular schedule, you keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. They'll know exactly when to expect new content from you, and that predictability fosters loyalty. To make scheduling a breeze, consider using tools like Hootsuite. These platforms allow you to plan your uploads in advance, so you can ensure a steady stream of content without having to worry about last-minute scrambles. Remember, the more consistent you are, the faster your channel will grow. Alright, so you've built a loyal audience around your niche content. Now it's time to explore how you can turn those views into revenue streams. There are multiple ways to monetize your YouTube channel, and the best approach often involves a combination of strategies. YouTube Partner Program. Once you meet the eligibility requirements, you can enable ads on your videos, earning revenue from the ads that viewers see. Affiliate marketing. Partner with brands that align with your niche and promote their products through your videos. You'll earn a commission on every sale made through your unique affiliate links. Sponsorships. As your channel grows, brands may reach out to you for sponsored content. This involves creating videos that feature their products or services. Membership programs. Offer exclusive perks to your most dedicated subscribers, such as early access to videos, behind-the-scenes content, or even live Quanda sessions. Finding a hidden niche for your faceless YouTube automation channel can set you up for long-term success. Use AI tools to create high-quality content, schedule your posts consistently, and explore different monetization strategies. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort, but with the right approach and a little bit of patience, you can turn your passion into a thriving online business. So, what are you waiting for? Start your YouTube automation journey today. In the comments below, share one niche idea that you're considering. I'd love to hear your thoughts and offer some feedback. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more YouTube automation tips and strategies. And if you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and fellow creators. Let's create amazing content together.